Alright food fans, let's talk pastrami on rye. This ain't your average sandwich. It's a New York City legend, a deli staple, a flavor explosion waiting to happen. This sandwich is all about big, bold tastes that hit you right in the face. We're talking smoky, salty pastrami piled high on tangy rye bread with a swipe of spicy mustard. Get ready for a wild ride. First things first, you gotta get the goods. For 2 of these bad boys, you'll need 1 pound thinly sliced pastrami, the good stuff, 4 slices of rye bread, and spicy brown mustard. Go for the good stuff. Now let's heat things up. You want that pastrami steaming hot? Throw it in a steamer for a few minutes or warm it in a pan with a little water. While that's going, you can toast your rye bread if you like it crispy. Here's where the wonder happens. Lay down 2 slices of that rye bread. Slather them up with a generous amount of that spicy brown mustard. Don't be shy. Now pile on that hot pastrami. We're talking a mountain of meat. Slap on the other slice of bread, and you're ready to roll. This sandwich, it's more than just food, you know? It's a taste of history. Brought over by Eastern European Jewish immigrants, it's a true American original. One bite, and you're transported back to the bustling streets of New York City.